Hi guys, Nick here, and today I'm going to be doing other Blu-ray and DVD unboxing. And first I'm going to be doing Thomas and Friends, the Great Race. And then I do watch Thomas and Friends once in a while just for nostalgic sake. Hey, because I do watch Thomas when I was little. We got Thomas and some friend of Casey here, along with one of the Great Race competitors on the bottom with him, with Golden Symbolic on the left and Golden on the right for his temporary new look. Yeah, being like a speed heat engine, I think that's what trains like what going looks like is called. And we also got a butler case. Here's with pretty much all the engines that is going to be in a Great Race. Here's literally right on the back of the box here. Yeah, now let's take the soap cover off. I think I can't do it. And here's I have to try. I got the plastic off. As of the soap cover. Also, again, take a look at the Blu-ray and DVD of the movie. Yeah, it's just gonna take a bit and don't want to use the scissors quite yet because the plastic is right on the soap cover here, so trying to avoid a safety hazard. So I bet until I actually do need the scissors as after. Oh, sorry for what? I just had the scissors. That I brought over for a second. And just to try to get this little bit cut that I got. Which I think I just did. And now I got it open now. Also, you're going to take a look at the inside of the case in a second here. Now let's take a look at the inside of the case. And we got the DVD on the left here, and the Blu-ray on the right, which is basically the same picture as it is on the front of the case, minus Golden in his brother. And that's going to be it for today's Thomas and Friends and the Great Race Blu-ray and DVD unboxing. And like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell when new. And more videos will be coming to our channel soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.